Hi everyone, today I am sharing a simple dish of steamed prawns. This is a low-fat, healthy but yummy recipe. Here are the ingredients. Inspired by Thai cuisine, fish sauce, coriander roots, coriander leaves are used to give it an extra oomph. Fresh prawns or shrimps are a must for this dish. Choose prawns which are firm and moist with heads not falling off. Do not buy if the smell is off. Choose prawns with heads filled with some yellow-orange stuff if you can. This adds lots of flavor. Let's start. First, soak the dried glass noodles with water. Next, peel and mince garlic. After washing the coriander stalks thoroughly, shave off hair-like roots from the coriander root. Cut the root and lower part of the coriander stems into smaller pieces. Set aside with the minced garlic. Separately, set aside the leaves and the upper part of the stem. You can choose to cut the glass noodles to make it easier for serving later. Remove from water and spread the glass noodles on a plate which is to be used for steaming. Now let's clean up the prawns. Use the scissors to trim off prickly parts of the prawn. And then bend the prawns to find the gap between the prawn head and the shell of the body. Carefully cut the shell all the way to the tail. Use a knife to split open the prawn up like a butterfly opening its wings. Devein the prawn under running water. Line the cleaned prawns on top of the glass noodles. Place half of the coriander leaves on top. Pour sesame oil into pan. When heated, add in garlic and coriander roots. Stir fry till fragrant with light browning. Add in light and dark soya bean sauce. Then fish sauce. Give it a few stir and then add water. When the mixture boils, scoop the mixture onto the prawn. Minced garlic should be on the prawns and the glass noodles are soaked with the mixture. Steam the prawns in high heat. Time's up. Turn off the heat and remove from steamer. Look how beautiful it looks. Top up with the remaining coriander and serve hot. Enjoy this guilt-free dish. Thank you for watching. To receive notifications for more creative and simple home-cooked food, please subscribe to my channel.